Hey everybody, I want to do another little update. Today is my birthday. I'm out here working on my very first car. This is the 67 Chevelle. I ended up finding another one of the same plates I had on it when I was younger. I think I'll do a little walk around real quick, kind of show you where it's at, what needs to still kind of be done on this car. Eventually it's going to need to be painted, but we got your Boss 3/3/8, 18 9.5, 18/8. It's a clean car. Need to do some stuff to the interior. I got another armrest I need to put back here. Got the window felts. Put in the 2 5/8 gauges. Got a brand new, Bosch Sun replacement tack. Same one I had in it younger. Then let me show you what it looks like under here, because this really came together nice. So I'm trying to make it a mixture of old and new. So we got the GM hoses on it, manual steering, passenger driver side alternator now, short water pump. Got the pertronix electronic conversion. She sounds good. Runs pretty good. I might have to pull the transmission out of it though. The speedo gear that goes on the tail shaft keeps coming loose. So we gotta figure out what's going on with that. But we'll start it up real quick. I think it's got the Flowmaster original 40s under this car with an H pipe, 2.5. It sounds pretty good. Gonna probably need to put a regulator on there. That fuel pressure is crazy high, especially for a edelbrock that's on it right now. They don't like that much pressure. Oh yeah, we got those drill and slotted rotors too. We got the eBay control arms on it. I gotta get an alignment on it. I haven't even done that yet, but I drove it a little bit today. Put tags back on it so it's legal. Put some gas in it too today. Non-ethanol, but she's gonna need some work, so we'll get back to it. I just want to make it nice, and eventually it does gonna need a paint job on it. You see there's a little scrape right here. The lady had it before I got it back. But thank you for watching.